Welcome back everyone. Today we got 2021 HRV all-wheel drive EXL. And first thing first, I'd like to thank Ciocca of Harrisburg for letting me drive test this car today. Now, HRV is a subcompact sport utility vehicle with 141 horsepower and 1.8 liter four-cylinder engine. This one I'm drive testing today is this one is an all-wheel drive. And as you can see, the interior of the car looks really good. I like the screen touch system for the air conditioner. You can touch it and it's not the actual button. You can just touch it and it will just change the temperature. Now let's look at the outside of the vehicle. Now this vehicle is EXL, which starts at $26,000 and gives you 28 miles per gallon on city and 34 on highway. Now HRV has a different trim level, and the top trim is Touring, which starts at $29,000, and the lowest trim is LX, which starts at $21,000. Now I must say that there's a lot of leg room on this car, and for the passenger it's really comfortable. Now I see this newly designed, I should say redesigned cup holders in this car. I have never seen this type of cup holders in any other cars. This is my first time. And we got the sunroom here on the EXL. Now so far I'm really liking the car. I really want to say this is like a cheaper version of a CRV, a cheaper and a smaller version of CRV. So you don't need that bigger CRV, the bigger car size-wise. Then you can just get this one. This is not a bad car. Now let's check the driving, how the driving is going to go. Now I should say that the sound of this car is really nice. When I hit that gas pedal, the sound it makes, it's pretty loud, but I like it. I thought I should consider that on the video. Now let's do some paddle shifting here. Now that was not a bad try, but I'll do it one more time with the automatic shifting, because now I did pedal shifting by myself, so I'll just let the car do it next time. Now the handling in this car is decent, I should say, because for what you're paying, only $26,000, you're getting this. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, I'm impressed with that. I think that was fast. I think that was fast. I would say roughly around six seconds maybe, but that's what I was expecting. I was not expecting anything better than that. I'm impressed with that. It was really nice drive with the 2021 HR-V today. Lovely weather today outside. You know, it's getting warmer in here, 50 degrees in Pennsylvania. So finally the summer is slowly coming back. If you stayed till now, please hit that subscribe button. Your subscribe means a lot to me. Just hit the subscribe button. It's just simple. It's as easy as that. And I want to thank one more time Ciocca Honda of Harrisburg for letting me drive test this car. Hit the subscribe button, like this video, comment down below what car you want me to review next, and share this video. And thank you so much for watching. Just subscribe.